During any financial crisis, small business lending grinds to a halt. This usually happens because business owners, realizing they're having problems so late in the process, it's almost too late for their banking partner to help them. But thankfully, we all know that there's absolutely no chance of another recession or financial crisis. But on the off chance that there is, how different could things be if banks have access to real-time performance data for their customers? If they could be proactive in their relationships, pairing them with the right financial instruments, and contacting businesses when they see signs of trouble, before they come to the bank with their hair on fire, and before anyone asks, no, this is all natural, that's not what happened to me. In boom times of recession, the upSWOT solution is designed to deliver business coaching and insights based on data from the variety of applications used to run small businesses. Our platform consists of two parts: a series of customer-facing components embedded within the financial institution's digital banking experience that deliver performance insights based on SaaS applications used to run the business, and a financial institution-facing platform that provides information to relationship managers and lenders that allow them to be proactive in their dealings with business customers. On the screen, I'm showing our integration with a customer, or a partner of ours rather, Alchemy, where we've integrated our solution using their SDK and embedded several of our components. This is what all of their business users see when they log in. I'm logged in as a business user now. Prior to connecting any external data, I can see a cash flow forecast and some insights derived just from the bank's core data. And while this is a good enhancement to my existing experience, I'm one of the 70% of businesses that actually want financial advice from my bank, but they're not receiving it. But I'm willing to connect external data to get it. As I begin connecting external data sources, I'm initially presented with a request to connect to the IRS information for my tax ID. upSWOT allows users to connect their IRS information and to share it with the bank. I'm going to go through the process of connecting my company information now and complete that process. Next, I'm presented with the option to pair information from my other financial institutions that I work with to make my insights much more holistic. At upSWOT, we have two methods for doing this. With the large national banks, we connect using their open banking API so that we can even pull in transaction detail. And for all others, we can support account aggregation via partners such as Finicity or Yodlee. As I advance, I'm presented with options for connecting third-party applications such as accounting, CRM, ERP, payroll, point-of-sale, e-commerce, or even marketing applications. All of these contain valuable information that I need to understand how my business is performing at any given moment in time. And finally, I can opt in to share my information with the leading credit bureaus, where the data shared will be used to either boost or establish my credit score and improve the odds of my access to credit. Once complete, the upSWOT components are transformed to coach me towards improving my business and ensure that when I need critical business information, I'm coming to my bank to receive it. I'm going to highlight a few of our 13 components that are available now. Our accounts component shows my full cash position, including all of my other accounts at other financial institutions. And because we're connecting with some of those national banks' open banking API, I can also see and receive insights on transaction detail from those accounts. As I change tabs, I can see my business valuation. Clicking again, I can see details that compare my business statistics to peers in my space and also view my credit score. The upSWOT solution is highly customizable, and to showcase this, I'm actually going to change to a different integration that we have with a different partner of ours, where we've embedded our components in their digital banking experience. Here, I'm showcasing the cash flow forecast, which is developed using aggregated account information and historical data from my accounting platforms, as well as point-of-sale, e-commerce, and that aggregated account data, which allows us to account for seasonality and cyclicality because we see the entire business performance. I can even model out different scenarios to see their impact on cash flow. With 13 different components, we often hear that upSWOT delivers so much information that it's actually hard to get it all in front of the client. So I change integrations yet again. We're showcasing our new business health component, which is a dashboard that allows at-a-glance view for my entire business, with each category showing a clickable summary to view presentation of the insights for that category. To illustrate, I'm going to click on the e-commerce component and show that I can see a summary of that performance that includes trends and profitability. The data visualization and insights that we present are incredibly valuable, saving time and providing peace of mind to the business owner. We focus a tremendous amount of effort on this endeavor because these customer-facing components entice the businesses to keep their data sources connected, which enables the financial institution to have continuous visibility into business performance. As I transition to show a bit of what the view is for the financial institution, we want to showcase a few of the urgent notifications that we can drive to you as a relationship manager, such as things like a reduction in staffing or a change of their pipeline. We can also drive insights back to the financial institution that make product recommendations and service suggestions, such as offering to restructure existing debt or offering a factoring loan when we see outstanding invoices that are aging. And finally, there's underwriting data that we can deliver to the relationship managers so that they can properly underwrite the business versus underwriting only the principles of the business. In boom times of recession, the upSWOT solution is designed to deliver business insights to business customers and pull those eyeballs back into the bank's digital banking system. We're pre-integrated into Alchemy, Banno, and Q2, with more partners later to be announced this summer. Thank you for your time, and we'd appreciate your vote for Vets in Show.